The UAE is growing fast in AI, with the market expected to jump by 15% next year. Cloud Analogy, powered by INUS, is helping drive this change by building new AI and machine learning tools that help businesses work and grow better. Hi, I'm Harsh Vardhan Mishra, Practice Head of AI at Cloud Analogy. I'm excited to be at GITEX Global 2025 in Dubai, the biggest tech and AI show in the region where people come together to share new ideas and make valuable connections. At Cloud Analogy, we help companies use AI, machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI to become more efficient, automate tasks, and find new ways to grow. At GITEX, we are also showcasing our two advanced AI products. First, HireNowX, that is a smart hiring assistant that helps companies quickly find and hire the best talent through complete AI process. Second one is GlowNowX, where an AI solutions for skincare giving personal recommendations to improve your dermatology experience. If you are interested in AI and coming to GITEX Global 2025, let's set up a meeting. Let's see how AI can help your business innovate and succeed. See you at GITEX Global 2025 in Dubai.